Welcome to Bexley Maths Test 5. Step 1, turn the mic all the way up so you can hear me clearly. Here we go. Question 15, I'm leaning back right now. Jim is packing to go on a holiday. He puts 4 different t-shirts, 3 different shorts, 2 different trainers, and a pair of flip-flops. So much information already, I'm getting a small headache. How many different combinations of t-shirt, shorts, and footwear can Jim put together with the clothes he has packed? So you might have done this question already, that's fine. If you haven't, you might want to pause, have a go first, 5 seconds. Your chance to pause now, or you just watch me do it. So, the footwear bit was the tricky bit for me. If we look at this bit, 2 trainers, 1 pair of flip-flops. So how many pairs of footwear? It'll be 3. Okay, William, alright, so what? Now look at the last bit. 3 shorts, 3 footwear. So we're just pairing them up in different ways. Imagine if I set it up properly rather than just tell you what to do. Have a look. Imagine 1 short, 2 short, 3 short. And then the other one, well, we got different footwear, different types of shoes. 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. Well, we're just trying to pair them up. Have a look. Well, the first shorts can go with the first footwear, second and third. So there are 3 ways. But guess what? We can do it the other way as well. The second short can go with those types of footwear, and then the last one as well. So we've got 6 ways so far. You can see there's 6 different arrows, and then here there are 9 in total. So why is William drawing it like this? I just want to show you fully. That's actually a really nice diagram. Altogether, there are 9 different ways to do it. Okay, well, so what? We need to combine it with the 4 different t-shirts. Imagine here. 1 t-shirt, 2, 3, 4. Well, there are 9 different ways to pair them all up. Well, if I've got 9 different ways here, 9 different ways there as well, and there. So altogether we have 9 times 4 equals 36. You might be thinking, this is so complex for an 11 plus primary school question. The really, really fast way is you just look at these numbers and you multiply. I just wanted to draw a diagram just to explain it fully, why you multiply. This is the super quick way to do it. 4 times 3 times 3, done. There are 36 different ways to pair up all of these things. So 36 is the answer. Next question. Question 16. The graph shows the cost of printing photographs at the print shop. Cheesy Grins. That's a cool name for a shop. Grins means smiling, and cheesy, well, you're just laughing. You're just having a good time. How much more does it cost to print 100 photographs than 50 photographs? Okay. What confused me a little bit when staring at this question, I look at 100 and then I go across. Not too difficult here. We go across, that'll be 15. So my confusion was, how 15p? This was my confusion, and then I decided to wake up to read the question. Next bit, 50 photographs. No choice, guys, no choice. You need to go up and across. And I'm thinking, how can it cost more when you're paying for less photos? Because I'm not reading. Have a look. Have a look. Now the graph makes sense. It says price per photo. So we need to apply it here. So let's do it firstly for the 50 photographs. So that green bit, really we're saying 1 photo will cost 20p. You're buying 50 photos. So what's that? It is 50 times 20. Let me make make the text a bit better. 50 times 20 equals 1,000 p, so £10. Now we do it for the last bit. Let's just put that in black. 100 photographs here, that bit. So the price is now down a little bit, but that's how they encourage you to buy a few more photos. So one photo is 15p at a different number, a different amount that you buy. So we buy 100 photos. Well, what's that? 15 times 100. Let me make it small. I need to lay it out because these questions are difficult. The last thing I need to do to you is just lay it out badly. That bit. Here. 15 times 100, 1500p, so £15. And then we are able to answer the question. How much more does it cost? This compared to that. So in reality, of course, you buy more photos, it'll cost a bit more. £15. You buy 50 photos, it'll cost £10. So what's the difference in price? It will be £5. Fantastic question. £5. Oops. There. Good. Question 16, done. Question 17. Orson, Gretchen and Jake are sharing a bag of crisps. Orson eats 1/3 of the crisps. Straight away, my gut instinct, you need to lay out the information or else it's too much. Write it with me. Orson, Gretchen, Jake. Space it out. Final column, you can put total if you want. Why not? They're telling us 1/3 for Orson, right to here. So straight away, bear in mind, these two people will be 2/3. Because it's just the rest, it's just the other section. Next bit. They are telling us Jake eats 50% of what is left. I think I read this twice or 3 times. I felt it was just so wordy, so unnecessary. I do not love the way they have set out this question, but it's okay. 50% of what is left. What did I just tell you what is left? 2/3. So Jake is just being a really sensible person because he knows he's going to share with Gretchen, so why not half each? Yeah, fair enough. Half, half. And then we've got it. What is half of 2/3? Well, when we do fraction questions, I mean, you could just tell me the answer straight away, or with fraction questions, a nice way to see it is half times 2/3. The 2's cancel, or we can say it's 2/6, which is 1/3. Or we just know half of 2/3 is 1/3. I don't really mind how you get it. So after all this wordy stuff, Jake, like a sensible, fair person, gets 1/3. Guess what? Guess what? Gretchen also gets 1/3. After all this, everyone gets the same amount. Fair enough. And rightly so. If you're at a party, you need to share fairly. The total, well, we know it's 3/3. It's at every section. Final bit. Gretchen eats 12 crisps. Okay, so that section is 12. So write it. It's 1/3 of the total. So we want to find out how many in the bag. Well, we are working out the total, which is everyone here. How we go from 1/3 to 3/3, we times by 3. Do the same here. 12 times 3 equals 36. Done. Fantastic question. A bit too wordy, but we got there. 36 is the answer. Next. That's it for now. Just a few questions in this video. My normal way to end. Here we go. Top left corner will be the previous video. I think that's questions 10 to 14. And then when I'm ready, bottom left corner will be the next one in Bexley Maths 5. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.